When on the Inspeq app, to start an inspection, we have two possible routes to follow. One is to use work orders. This will allow you to then assign the inspection to a colleague or yourself and can be found here on our dashboard. Or in the work orders area on the bottom navigation. Once we have assigned a work order, we can open that up. Here, this one has been assigned to ourselves, so we can then accept. And then we can use the Start Filling template to start the inspection. To find out how to create a work order, please refer to the work order videos available in the knowledge base. The other option is to go to the templates. Find the relevant inspection you wish to carry out. Open that report template up, and at the bottom here, we can either create a work order and again assign that to a colleague or ourselves, or we can go straight to the Start Filling template. Here, we're then prompted to give this inspection a title. Once we've given the report a title, we can then click on Start Filling Template. This will present us with two options on how we will want to complete our inspection. The first option is to fill your template manually with voice, and the second is record a video. If we look at the first option, what this will present us is our inspection template for us to manually fill in. But what we can also do is use the record icon here in the bottom right-hand corner to fill out the form using voice. So if I click on the button in the middle of the screen, today we're doing an inspection. Make is Caterpillar. Model is 320EU. The serial number is 1234. The item number is 568. Hour meter is reading 526. CE mark yes is present. Steps and ladders are in excellent condition, 5-star. Paint is in good condition, 4-star. Handrails are in good condition, 4-star. Glass is in good condition, 4-star. Exterior lights and indicators are operational. Once we're happy with what we completed, we can then hit the button in the middle of the screen again and then click the Upload button. This is then transcribing the audio and will map this out onto our template. So we can see here that we've captured Caterpillar, 320EU, serial number, item number, hour meter, etc. We can then use the Note or Attachments buttons in the bottom to add further details or to include files or videos or imagery from our local device. The other option for completing our inspection is to use Record a Video. Clicking on this will then ask us to select the language that we'll be conducting the inspection in, and then we're prompted to rotate our device. This brings us through to our inspection view, and on this we have a few key features. On the side is our zoom, and then on the right-hand side on the top button is our prompt. So here we can see the sections and fields that we've set up and run our inspection reports. And also, we have the record button, the big red one in the middle, and below that is the camera icon, where we can take pictures using that button, as well as prompting AI to take pictures for you. So to start, we hit the red button. So today, we're doing an inspection. The make is Caterpillar. Model is 320EU. The serial number is 4568. The item number is 9876. Hour meter is reading 528. The CE mark, yes, is present. Take a picture of CE mark. Steps and ladders are in good condition. 5-star. Take a picture of steps and ladder. Paint is in excellent condition, 5 stars. And there, I've used the camera to take a picture. Handrails are in good condition, 4 stars. Take a picture of handrails. Glass is in average condition, 3 stars. Take a picture of glass. Exterior lights and indicators are operational. Take a video of exterior lights. Stop video. I've hit the pause button here, so this allows me to stop the inspection. I can deal with any distractions, for example, or I can now look to complete the inspection. So here I'll click on the green tick in the top right-hand corner, confirm that I wish to proceed, and now those commands that I've given in that video are going to be mapped against our template. Once that information has been captured, we will then be taken to the manual view of our inspection, where we're now able to review the answers captured. So here we can see we've got Caterpillar, model, serial number, item number, and hour meter all captured. CE mark with picture, and also the ratings and pictures taken as we saw before. And there for exterior lights is the video that we captured. Now, if we realize that we want to add more detail, what we can also do is go to More Actions. And we can then select to go with Record More. And what this allows you to do is to create chunks of inspection. So 15 minutes for each chunk, you're able to, at the moment, to do 3 separate chunks, so allowing you to break a longer, more detailed inspection down into more manageable bite-sized chunks. We're also able to record from scratch. So if we realize that we just haven't captured the right information, that we've given the wrong answers, we can start again. Or we can save this report as draft and come back to it later on. Now, once we're happy with the responses we've given, we can then click on Submit. That has now created the report, which we can now view straight away on the app. So again, here there's information with images and videos. We can then, from this view, we can then download the reports, or we can share using our local device sharing features. We can also find this report in our Reports section on the app there at the top of the page, where again we can view the report, or we can choose that we want the web view, or even a PDF view.